What's up guys, it's me, Clockwise, back here with another video. Today we are going to be playing Natural Disaster Survival with Shy Ninja. Shy Ninja say hi. Alright, before we start the video, we're going to have to give you a challenge in 5 seconds. To subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell, and comment below and like the video. Anyway, let's go get on with the game. Well, we just survived disasters. And since I have Robux, I could do some things with it. Oh, speaking of Robux, why not join our group that gives free Robux if you subscribe? And we will, if you subscribe, like, and comment your username, and you have to join. You have to join our group. Wait, stuck? You stuck, you say? Oh, you're acid rain. Oh, you're gonna get pelted. You're gonna die straight away. Jump. How? Oh, the tiny little roof there. Okay, hello. Hello.
If I actually survive, I cannot believe it. I can't come.
Hello. Look at this person. Shane's is stuck. If the shelter above you gets hit three more times, then you're gonna start losing health.
How can I get out of it?
Oh, I think it got hit.
How can I get out?
Maybe you just have to, like, I don't know. You're not dead, dude. You have some cover. But I don't know. We're on a desert island. Not really a desert. Huh. Yeah, look, your name's up there somewhere. Yeah, Shining, you're under mine. Okay, what's this? What's this machine? Weather machine. This is the weather machine. Powered up. Powered up. How much Robux is this? 100. That's a bit over my budget. So, need a lift? 80 Robux for the green balloon. Should we do it, everybody? 80 Robux for that. Our transaction after would be 370 Robux. That is a bit over my budget. Like I know it's just a green balloon, but like 25 Robux, yes, I would buy it. But unfortunately, it's actually not. But it's higher.
Yeah.
Oh look, the rocket's going. Wait, don't forget me. Oh, somebody died. Oh yeah, I forgot. In this game, there's fall damage. Whoa, that rocket actually works.
I'm not going to
Where are you? Did you die? Flash flood. Oh, there's a flood. There's a flood. Did you die straight away? How? What did happen? Must have been a glitch. Dun, dun, dun. Flash flood actually a real thing, and they're really dangerous. Oh, look, yeah. So it comes up real quick. So up here is probably the best bet. Oh, I wonder if I could push someone off. Because this, I think so. Oh, oh. No, he has a green balloon, 80 Robux. Oh, we're going down, boys. No, that guy jumped the right time. Everybody's dying. There's only one survivor, I'm guessing. I might buy the green balloon because it does look like it is worth it.
Only one person survived.
I will. I will make a number 2 if I buy this. I'll buy this. And I'll make... Okay, guys, if you want me to do a part 2... If you guys want me to do a part... Or I could kill myself at spawn. Ooh. Oof. I'm killing myself at spawn. Oof. Anyways, guys.
Let's go. Wait, what? I wish that I had the balloon.
It's 80 Robux. The balloon I bought.
But I don't need a balloon. I don't even need a balloon.
Oh yes, the cars are actually drivable.
I'm gonna go somewhere which is so hot. No cars even think about it. I cannot even go up there.
I'm gonna go in a truck to drive.
Yes.
Okay, sorry guys for the background noise. It's a bit like...
Overrated.
Not really. Oh no! Quickly! It's a tsunami! Flood! In other cases.
Get to higher ground. I'll all go upstairs.
Guys, I might change my skin to like something like
Can you
different.
think? Look up. Look up.
Whoa! I'm gonna get up there.
I can't even see you. There's someone. Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh guys, man. Oh. Okay, we have a special guest. He's a friend from across country, and he lives in Perth. No disclaimers, but he's going to come on the mic.
Hello, bitches. I'm listening.
Yeah, same. I know. We're making a YouTube channel. Do you know that?
What?
We're making a YouTube channel. Do you know that? We're making a YouTube video.
What is the name? Let me see.
It's Clockwise. Clockwise Plays. Yeah, Clockwise Plays. I have changed it recently, so yeah.
Let me run it.
Yeah.
What's it most Clockwise.
Okay, thanks. Anyway, yo, like, do you want to play with us or what? Like, we could friend each other. What?
Could you just show me how it's written? Because I just wrote it, but other stuff came out.
Yeah, trust me, it's weird. Okay, guys, it seems like we have crashed, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Well, see you guys and bye.
Is there like a space between clock and wise?
No. Well, anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.